Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 3. So from these two equations, or to solve for the values of x and y. To solve this, solution. So we have this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from equation 2 that we have x minus y equals 3. Equation 2, solve for y is then equal to x minus 3. Okay, also from equation 1 that we have x raised to power 3 plus y raised to power 3, this equals 7. So input the value of y as x minus 3 into this equation. This then becomes x raised to power 3 plus in brackets y is x minus 3 all raised to power 3. This equals 7. Now, looking at x minus 3 all raised to power 3, this is in the form of in brackets a minus b all raised to power 3. And this equals a raised to power 3 minus 3a squared b then plus 3ab squared minus b raised to power 3. So expanding this equation becomes x raised to power 3 then plus x raised to power 3 minus 3 times x squared times 3 then plus 3 times x times 3 squared minus 3 raised to power 3, and this equals we have 7. So from here we have x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 3 then minus 3 times 3 is 9, 9x squared plus we have 3 times 3 squared is 9, 9 times 3, 27x, then minus 3 cubed is 27, and this equals 7. The next thing we're going to do is to move 7 over to this side, and we have x power of 3 plus x power of 3 is 2x raised to power 3 minus 9x squared then plus 27x minus 27 minus 7, and this equals 0. So 2x raised to power 3 minus 9x squared plus 27x then minus 27 minus 7 minus 34, and this equals 0. So looking at this equation, x is equal to 2 is a solution for this given equation. So this means that x minus 2 is a factor for this equation. So to then find the other factors, we're going to solve this making use of synthetic division. So we're going to draw the table. Okay, drawing this table, we are we have the solution of x as 2 right down to, then the coefficient we have 2, then minus 9, then 27 and minus 34. So bring down 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4, write down 4, minus 9 plus 4, that is simply minus 5, minus 5 times 2 minus 10, 27 minus 10, 17, 17 times 2, 34, minus 34 plus 34, that is simply 0. So the other factors apart from x minus 2, we have 2x squared, then minus 5x, then plus 17, and this equals 0. With this, we're going to equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0, or we have 2x squared minus 5x plus 17. This equals 0. So from this, x is equal to positive 2. So we have the first solution of x. So for this other equation, we're going to solve this making use of the quadratic formula. So the formula which is given by s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of x squared, which is simply plus 2. The value of b is the coefficient of x as minus 5. The value of c is the constant plus 17. So inputting these values into the given formula, we have the solution for x. x is equal to minus b is minus 5 plus or minus square root b is minus 5 all squared minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 17 then all over 2 times a is 2. And with this, the solution for x is equal to minus times minus 5 plus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared is simply 25 minus 4 times 2 times 17 minus 136 all over 2 times 2 is 4. So x is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 136 is minus 111 all over 4. And from here, we have this to equal 5 plus or minus, we can write root minus 111 as root 111 times root minus 1 all over 4. So x is then equal to 5 plus or minus root 111 times root minus 1 is I, then all over 4. And with this, we have the second solution of x2 is equal to 5 plus root 111 I over 4. The third solution of x is equal to 5 minus root 111 I over 4. Okay, so we have the second solution of x and the third solution of x. And by the way, the first solution of x1 equals to 2. So we have this, that x1 is equal to 2. Good. Now we have gotten the values of x. The next thing is to get the solutions of y. To do so, recall that from here, right here, we said that y equals x minus 3. So writing this down, that the value of y is equal to x minus 3. To then get the solutions of y, we're going to input the values of x1, x2, x3 into this equation. So for x1 as 2, we have y is equal to x. So x1 is equal to 2. So x is 2, then minus 3. Then y is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And this is the first solution for the value of y. Then for x2 to equal 5 plus root 111I all over 4, the solution of y is this. So inputting this into the equation, we have y is equal to x is 5 plus root 111I over 4, then minus 3. 3 can be written as over 1. Then y is equal to, the LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 divided 4, 1. 1 times this, 5 plus root 111I. Then 1 will divide 4. 4 times. 4 times 3 minus 12. So y is equal to 5 minus 12. The value is equal to minus 7. Then plus root 111I divided by 4. With this, we have the second solution of y. Okay, so y for the third solution of x to equal 5 minus root 111I over 4, we have this, that for the third solution of x to equal 5 minus root 111I over 4, the equation of y is equal to x minus 3. So input the value of x3 as this, y is then equal to x is 5 minus root 111I over 4 minus 3. 3 can be written as over 1. Then y is equal to, the LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 divided 4, 1. 1 times this, 5 minus root 111I. Then minus 1 divided 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And from here, we have the solution of y. Y is equal to 5 minus 12 minus 7, then minus root 111I divided by 4. And with this, we have the third solution for the value of y. So to then report the answers for the solution of x and y, we have this. So for the first solution of x and y, right here, when x1 is 2, y is equal to minus 1. So we write this down, that when x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. And then the second solution for x and y right here, that when x is equal to 5 plus root 111i over 4, y is equal to minus 7 plus root 111i over 4. Writing this down, we have when x is equal to 5 plus root 111i over 4, y is equal to minus 7 plus root 111i over 4. Okay, and this is for the second solution of x and y. Why for the third solution of x and y? For x, we have when x3 is equal to 5 minus root 111i over 4, y3 equals to minus 7 minus root 111i over 4. Writing this down, we have when x is equal to 5 minus root 111i over 4, then y is equal to minus 7 minus root 111i over 4. So with this, we have the solutions for the values of x and y. So I hope you all learned one or two from this video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.